What's up mga kaalbay? Hello! Good morning! Kararating lang natin sa office. It's a typical Monday morning. So, ano natin gagawin? Of course, is gagawa tayo ng lesson plan. Kasi, now we need it. We need it. We need it. Parang bata lang. Na, of course, kailangan natin gumawa ng lesson plan dahil meron tayong tungkulin na gagampanan, of course. And speaking of tungkulin, dapat meron tayong LP palagi at all times, at all costs. So today is August 18, 2025. It's Monday. And it's Monday. It's the start of the week. I hope that I hope that you will be able to accomplish everything you want for the week. And I hope that everybody is in good health right now, right? So, ang hirap talaga ng buhay. Pero kailangan tayong magsumikap kasi ah, may mga binubuhay tayo and at the same time, tungkulin talaga natin na panindigan ang ating pagiging teacher, right? Kasi hindi lang ito isang simpleng profesyon, ito din ay buhay natin. Kailangan nating may pakita sa mga tao na tayo ay matatag, right? So, may mga kailangan tayong ano, may mga kailangan tapusin. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Kayo guys, ano ginagawa niyo dyan? I hope na okay lang tayong lahat. I hope na everything is fine, everything is well. We are doing great. Kasi yan naman talaga ang gusto natin lahat. Yan yung palagi natin pinipray kay Lord. Bigyan tayo ng bigyan tayo ng strength. Bigyan tayo ng lakas ng loob. Bigyan tayo ng power to do everything we want. Di ba? Ganun naman talaga. So, yan yung gusto natin mangyari sa ating buhay. And, yun. Ganun naman talaga. So, we have here review the English concepts, competencies for the upcoming first periodical test. So, reviewing the English concepts. Ayan. Read the directions before the class. and entertain possible questions about questions. Then dito answer the review test question. Tapos yun lamang po. Bye-bye.